What's up guys, how you all doing? As you can see, it is super sunny outside, not even one cloud out here. So what I'm gonna put to the test is one of these 100-watt solar chargers. Let's see if I can charge up my phone pretty fast. I can't believe how bright it is. This is probably the best it will do right now. There's a little instruction. Wow, check this out. Whole bunch of adapters, car jumper. You can charge up your battery on your car. But this is what I actually want to put to the test right here. There is USB plugs. Wow, that's pretty big. Nice. First impression is pretty big. The sun is pretty much on top and it's hitting it right at the sun. Light indicator here, it means it's on. I think it looks like red or green light. Kind of hard to see right now and super bright. Okay, now let's plug it into the phone. Charging. I don't know if you guys can see, it's so bright. It's at 19%, 146. Let's come back in 30 minutes or so and see how much it's going to charge up my phone. I'll cover up my phone so it doesn't overheat. Okay, let's see how long it's been. Wow, it's 61% just from solar panels. That is amazing. I can't believe it. Can you guys see it? Yeah, 61%. And it's been a little bit more than 30 minutes. Amazing panels right here. You can see there's handy things. You can hang them up. Wow, lightweight. Super skinny. Thumbs up for me. Putting into my survival section, that's for sure. Very nice. Check this out. Super thin, super portable. Now let's fold it back up. I don't even know how to fold it. I guess like this, and boom, that works. And then you got one of these things. Gosh, it's so hot. Yeah, if you're not using it, I'll definitely keep it away from the sun. Give you much longer longevity. Boom. Wow, love it. Then goes in one of these cases, I guess. The bag is definitely cheaply made. It seems like already falling apart, but bag doesn't matter. And I guess the rest of the stuff gonna go in this pack.